Alright, hello, Chatsu here, author of Tales from the Trilateral Realms. And the next book in the Trilateral Realms is currently being written and released chapter by chapter on Substack. That is Midnight Falls, Book 1 in the House of Cranes. And all the links will be in the description as always. We're going to continue playing some Alan Wake, but before we do, let me just go ahead and give an update. I keep on forgetting to do this right away, but okay, chapter 3 of In the House of Cranes is finally written. It's going to be one hell of an editing process before I'm completely satisfied with it enough to actually post it on Substack, especially considering this will be the first one behind the paywall. Although I am immediately moving on for the sake of my sanity to chapter 4, which I'm hoping is going to be a lot easier to write unless there's some kind of unforeseen stuff that that's unforeseen. And that's pretty much it right now. Let's go ahead and continue. Whew. So what happened last time? That one guy,
too?
yeah.
Well, of course
Okay.
I see him. Come on, we gotta move.
Why?
Because that's the way the story goes.
Yeah, but
Let's move.
I lost my
That's
gun
the way
back there.
it is.
Oh, I've got a gun. Just keep that light steady on him.
It took a moment, but then I recognized him. He'd been on the ferry when I first arrived here with Alice. He knew my name. We were headed in the direction of Lover's Peak. There was no way this was a coincidence. He was the kidnapper.
Oh God.
How's that, huh?
Alright, don't go off the beaten path. What the? Oh, okay. I didn't realize I no longer have... Okay. I don't like this. Dude! What are you waiting for?
Right up these stairs, Wake. Use the flares from the emergency box to hold them off while I get these boards off.
Give me the gun.
Yeah, no can do.
Are you kidding? Give me the gun.
No time for back talk. Hold them off, damn it.
I'm sorry, what?
A little longer. Scare them off. Get some light on those bastards. That'll keep them off us. Just a little longer. I almost got it. Okay, it's open.
Oh God. Oh, did you come from?
Oh, you feeling better now, Wake? All cozy and safe.
A little bit. What's it to you?
Better get ready. They'll be on us soon. This is it, Wake. last stand. There's more flares here. Get ready. We fight them as long as they keep coming.
Give me the goddamn gun! They're coming!
Seriously.
That's not how this goes. Get with the program, Wake.
It's not how this level works. Oh, God. Oh, crap. Hey. What the fuck? What the hell? That was bullshit.
Stand. There's more flares here. Get ready. We fight them as long as they keep coming.
Give me the goddamn gun!
Okay,
They're
fine.
coming!
I'll just use all the damn flares. Why not?
Program, Wake. Monster, bring it! Like that, boy? Ah! That's right. Piece of cake, Wake. Nothing to it.
Huh.
Let's cut the act now. Where's my wife?
I knew you were going to say that. I read it all before. You're a hell of a writer. Congratulations.
It's in the
Write
script.
about something glorious and terrible once we get you some proper editorial control.
What the hell are you talking about?
I once
Where's
again need to
Alice?
learn to stop
I want
bitching.
the entire manuscript.
This isn't that hard.
She's gonna suffer bad.
You touch her, I'll...
Ooh. My dude, that was a... Then again, I missed what he said. I was too busy talking. Yes, thank you. Did he, like, imply that he kidnapped her or something? What the hell did I...
No! Come back here! I swear I'll kill you if you hurt Alice! Do you hear me?
Okay, he did, yeah.
He had Alice, and he wanted the manuscript because he thought it held some magical power. But I had no manuscript to give him. I had to get back to Barry and figure out my next move.
The magical script. Yay! Oh, flares, nice. And another quick key for him, so that should help. Batteries. More flares. Ammo. And a page. Okay. And then we gotta cross here. Whoop, 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 whoop. Okay. Where are we at? Alright. You know, the problem with playing in short bursts like this is you don't really get a chance to build up some good muscle memory for playing well. What the hell?
Rusty had warned me about these traps. Hurt Cal. I was scared.
Alright. So I thought I was going to be able to pick something up or something, but that is not what that was. Is that a trap? Yeah, I think that's a trap. Huh. Holy crap. Oh my goodness. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Almost slid into that one. There we go. Huh. Oh, cabin. Yes, I just now saw that. Yeah, how do I get to it? From over there or from over there? Oh. Hello. Alright, so yeah, as they get closer, those flares become more important. What the? Yo, yeah, let him hit me twice. Ah, fuck. Right. What the Just screw me, why not? No, how far back am I? How comically far back did this just send me? You're shitting me! Why did you spin around like that? Come on, there had to have been someone else. Let me dodge! Let me dodge! I didn't even press that button. What the hell was that? Okay. Okay. Thank you. Oh my god. That's gonna help a lot. Alright. I think I'm coming out of the tough section. Oh my goodness. Well, tough for my unskilled ass anyway. I don't like this one bit.
I had heard the plane fall. It made no sense. It was clear that it had just fallen here, but it was very old and obviously hadn't flown in decades. Looking at it sent a shiver down my spine.
dokie. Aw. Oh, anything in there? No? Okay. Yes. F it. Take what I can get. Flares are flares, and they seem to be pretty damn effective. Yeah, go away. Ah. Wonder if that's everything. Alright. The big battles. My God. Oh, checkpoint. Checkpoint. Oh, yeah, that's gonna need a flare. There was one more. There you are. Always gotta make sure to look around. Oh. Yes. To look around. Look around. Yeah, this ain't good. Trying to get me just far enough away from the safe light. To where I can't go back for it. That was some technique, if I do say so myself. Granted, that was kind of easy with them all bunched up like that. Alright. Climb. Yes, thank you for telling me to use the thumbstick to climb. Ugh. Yeah, thanks for that. Come on. And there's some stuff I wish I could do mouse and keyboard, but at the same time, the auto aim is kind of generous, so it makes up for it. When it comes to running around, at least with the setup I have, I much prefer the controller. By a lot. Aha. Uh-huh. Manuscript. Alright. Ooh. Coffee. Yes, 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 coffee. It's what authors run on. Oh, whoops. Wrong button. Yeah, today I might get to the end of this level. I don't know. We'll see. Depends on how long the level is. Can't say for sure. I am definitely enjoying this. Darkness wears her face.
Be aware of Widowmakers.
Hey, you weren't that tough. I figured you were going to be some kind of a boss character. Maybe on higher difficulties, but... Huh. Hunting rifle, huh? What the? Oh, it's so janky. Yeah. I got more stuff. Let's go over here, even though it's probably going to be a fight. Or it's going to be absolutely nothing. That's disappointing. Come on. Okie dokie. I think there's a reason it gave me the rifle. But I don't want to use that unless I absolutely have to. Gotta conserve the good ammo. That's the way it works. That's the way it is. Oh, this is gonna be a fight for sure.
Talking is a hazardous occupation.
Actually, you know what? That's a good time to use the rifle. Not as strong as I thought he was going to be. Alright. Alright, what we got up here? A fight? We got a fight? Fight night!
Barry?
Ow! The porch is covered with fur. They've got old Hitchcock on me.
Stay out of sight. I'm on my way. Don't
Oh,
open the door.
this is interesting.
Like crazy?
Stay hidden. I'll be there soon. Just make sure you keep the lights on.
Don't turn off the lights.
I still had to reach Barry at the cabin, but at least I was out of the woods.
Ha 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 ha, out of the woods. Funny.
I'd have to get the car from the locked garage. It would get me back to Barry faster, and the headlights were a welcome bonus.
Yeah. That might do you some good. I don't think I can go in any of these. I don't think. Probably already at the 30-minute mark, yeah. Doesn't really matter. It's not concerning to me right now. Kind of just want to get to the end of this level. I think I've already said that. I don't know.
I had to find the key to the garage.
A story is not a machine that does what you tell it. A story is a beast with a life of its own. You can create it.
Ain't that the
shape it.
truth?
As the story grows, it starts with one location. You see the chain reaction to events that spread. The characters have to be
Dick.
true to themselves. The events need to follow a logic that fits the story. A single flaw and the magic is gone. The story dies.
You're not wrong there. Alright, can I get anything in here? Hunting rifle ammo. And that's about it. anything over here? No? Okay. Then watch all the lights go off and something's gonna happen. Any day now. Or not. Okay. That's cool too. What was that? Thought I saw something. Oh well, into the vehicle. Oh, hello. I don't know where Barry is, but I'll look for him. I think I'm going the right way. Ah, okay. And then down this road. Oh boy.
The flare gun was probably the best weapon I could imagine against the dark things I was facing.
You sure about that? What the fuck? Yes. Oh, no. Nothing? Really? I mean, I already grabbed the stuff last time, so it's not too surprising. yeah, what the hell is a flare gun with only 3 shots gonna do? Thank you. I needed that.
It was the kidnapper.
You son of a bitch! Where's my wife?
Enough horseplay, Wake. You deliver the manuscript, and you can have your woman back. Simple as that.
I don't... Listen. Listen. I'm gonna need time to finish it. I still need to write the ending. I need... a week.
Not done?
I need a week.
2 days. The old Bright Falls coal mine is nearby. You can find it easy, city boy. The main building, there at noon. You bring the manuscript, you'll get your wife. Not, well, get me?
Yes, I get you.
Dang, I suppose that was too much to ask. Huh. Thought I was gonna have to fight people all the way up here.
Barry had talked about birds over the phone.
And yeah, I just heard that a few minutes ago, so... Why do you think I want to switch to that? I know it's supposed to be like a grenade launcher, but...
Ow! Ow! I am so glad you're here. A couple of them got in here before I blocked the chimney. This isn't normal. These birds are weird.
Yeah, no kidding. What the hell am I supposed to be doing? Okay, now I get it.
Ow! Make them go away, please!
Oh, God! Where did you come from? Oh, my God! Tell where they're coming from. long am I gonna have to do this?
Open the door now. They're gone.
Oh my goodness. Please open the damn door. Thank you.
Hey, Al. I'm sorry for thinking you were having a psychotic episode, man.
Okay, that's probably going to be the end of the
Barry went down
episode.
to ask around about a man fitting the kidnapper's description. He'd go through the archives of the local paper. Perhaps he could learn something. Anything about the island and the cabin that had disappeared. The man wanted a manuscript. I had to try to write him one to get Alice back. For me, the supernatural had always been nothing but a metaphor for the human psyche, a tool to use in writing fiction. Now, it was happening for real, and I couldn't put a single word on paper.
How about
Barry Wheeler speaking.
This is Rose.
Rose?
I found Mr. Wake's pages.
Oh, you sweet, brilliant girl.
Could you and Mr. Wake come get them? I live in the trailer park outside the town.
We'll be there in less than an hour.
I know.
See you soon.
Yeah, that didn't sound suspicious
Have
at
a
all.
great day. Hope you come back soon. Welcome to the old
dear diner.
Good girl.
Oh boy. Oh, that's gonna get me hit again. Good thing I don't monetize. Yep, definitely the end of episode, was it 2?
Come here. Pretty please. Can you tell me where I am? You won't you say something?
End of episode 2.
I need to get my bearings.
Definitely gonna
Previously
skip.
on Alan Wake, Alice has been kidnapped.
Alan, please help me.
Alice?
You'll do exactly what I say if you ever want to see your wife again.
I can't tell anyone except my agent Barry.
Damn it, Barry. They'll kill her.
You're my best friend, and I'm worried that you're not right in the head.
The ransom is a manuscript I supposedly wrote that's coming true before my eyes.
It happened just the way it was on that page. So dark.
I have found only a few scattered pages.
I want the entire manuscript.
The deadline is in 2 days.
I found Mr. Wake's pages.
Good girl.
Ransom.
How the hell did she get her hands on the manuscript anyway?
I don't know. She's resourceful. I told you you were too hard on her. Listen, I found out all sorts of interesting stuff while I was digging around.
I'm sure you
Yeah.
did.
Mr. Wake, it's Sheriff Breaker. We have an FBI agent here, Agent Nightingale.
FBI?
He's anxious to see you. You'd better come to the station.
Okay, I'll be right over, Sheriff. Let's make this quick, huh?
Help you folks?
Alright,
Name's Randolph. I'm the
checkpoint.
manager.
Well, I'll be properly introduced to you next time. Until then, this is Chatsu signing out.